iTechnology Small Business IT Solutions. Welcome to Freehold, a town in central New Jersey that's undergoing a technological transformation. In this day and age, every single business depends on their technological infrastructure. Online business listings, social media accounts, and websites are just a few things that businesses depend on to survive. iTechnology sends representatives to meet with small business owners to discuss the technological future of their company, improving their social media image, web presence, and website. Those are just a couple of services that iTechnology provides. We help small businesses get online leads and then turn those leads into sales, increasing your profit and return on investment. We create social media accounts, we manage them, and we also manage the online advertisement budget of the business. We're right here in downtown Freehold, a business you can trust. Trust that's crucial for longevity of partnerships. Satisfied business owners with thriving businesses is our main objective. Don't wait and let competition pass you by. Book an absolutely free consultation online today. Go to iTechnology.business.